Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two of the most popular survey and form tools available online, Google Forms and SurveyMonkey. Whether you're a creator, a marketer, an educator, or a business owner, understanding which tool delivers the best data and user experience is critical, and we're breaking it all down step by step. So let's get started. Starting with Google Forms. This is Google's free web-based form and survey tool that's designed to help anyone create and share forms instantly. You can build polls, questionnaires, event RSVPs, quizzes, feedback forms, and more right from your browser. It's part of the broader Google Workspace suite, meaning it integrates tightly with other Google apps like Google Sheets, Gmail, and Drive. The simplicity here is a strength. Anyone familiar with Google's interface will feel right at home. You get multiple question types, preview templates, and the ability to customize your layout with images, colors, and even embed your form on websites. Responses are collected in real time and can be visualized instantly through built-in charts or exported for deeper analysis in Sheets. Fundamentally, Google Forms is ideal for students, teachers, small teams, community organizers, or anyone needing a free, reliable form builder. Its strength lies in speed, accessibility, and zero-cost entry. On the other hand, SurveyMonkey isn't just a simple tool. It's a fully featured survey ecosystem that supports multilingual surveys, detailed analytics, crosstabs, statistical reporting, data exports to formats like SPSS, and integration with hundreds of apps. Because of that, it's often used in businesses, market research teams, customer experience departments, and professional research firms. Now, what are the main features of these platforms? We start with Google Forms. Unlimited forms, questions, and responses. There's no surcharge on how many surveys you can build or answers that you can collect. There's also customization and templates. Yes, you can pick from ready-made themes, colors, and question formats. It has a drag and drop builder, which means there's easy creation without a steep learning curve. There's also logic branching in the forms. You can choose specific questions based on earlier answers. Seamless integration with Google Sheets is another strong point. You can instantly export or analyze your data. And it has real-time results. There are built-in charts that update as responses come in. With SurveyMonkey, it arguably shines when it comes to advanced survey capabilities. It has unlimited surveys with unlimited questions on paid plans. You can skip logic, randomization, and survey parts. It's more dynamic. The survey flow is more dynamic than Google Forms. Robust analytics and dashboards. Yes, it has real-time charts and you can export to CSV, Excel, PDF, PPT, and SPSS. Multi-survey analysis. You can compare trends across surveys. Multilingual support. You can create surveys in multiple languages. And there's custom branding and white label options, which is perfect for businesses. There are over 200 integrations in SurveyMonkey, which means you can connect to different platforms like Slack, HubSpot, MailChimp, Teams, and more. What is the pricing like? With Google Forms, the basic tool itself is free forever. Anyone with a Google account can use it with no fees attached. But if you need workspace for business level tools, then you have to pay for Google Workspace. And with SurveyMonkey, there's the Teams plan, there's the individual plan, and the enterprise plan. The individual plan, currently the one for best value at $34 per month, is the Advantage Annual. So it powers up to $408 when billed annually. And for Teams, there's the Team Premier that saves you 24% at $75 per user per month. Now, what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? With Google Forms, here are the pros. It's free and easy to use. It has unlimited responses. It has a fast setup and integrates with Google Workspace. And the pros of SurveyMonkey: it has a powerful survey builder, advanced logic and analytics, multilingual and export controls, and it is enterprise ready. And the cons of Google Forms: it has limited reporting and analytics, and there are fewer advanced features. With the cons of SurveyMonkey include the paid plans that can get pricey, and it can feel complex if you're a casual user. So which one should you choose? Well, here's a brief breakdown. If you're an individual, an educator, a small business, or a content creator who wants a simple but solid way to collect feedback without paying a dime, Google Forms is often the smartest choice. But if you are a business that needs professional grade surveys with detailed analytics, conditional logic, advanced reporting, team collaboration, custom branding, and integrations, then SurveyMonkey delivers richer data insights and more powerful tools to dissect and present that data. And that's it on the comparison of Google Forms and SurveyMonkey. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Typeform, JotForm, and Zoho Forms. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.